Welcome to the video. In this video I am going to show you a mobile accounting software which has been designed to cover the needs of your business accounting. It's very simple to use, and using the software you can make your business accounting very simple and organized. So let's get started. First I'll show you how you can get your user ID for free for 30 days. So in order to get your user ID, you need to click the website royalsolutionpk.com. royalsolutionpk.com. Just visit the site and click on the first icon, which is mobile accounting app. Click this yellow button to log in to the application. If you have the login ID and the password, you can write it here and click the sign in button. Otherwise, you can get your login ID for free for 30 days by clicking this green button. Once this screen will come, you need to enter your name. For example, you enter your name and down you put your password. Okay, email is optional. So once you click on register, the login ID will be created for you, and the login ID is 114. Okay, now you need to remember the login ID and the password you have entered. So click on the back button. This is the login page. Here in this page you can enter the login ID, which is 114, and the password you have entered ZEE. Click on the sign in button. This is the home page. Okay, we will start by defining the accounts. So in order to define the accounts, click on the define accounts, which is option A. Here we can create expense account, income accounts, customer suppliers account, bank accounts. So we'll click on expense account. Click on create. These are the two types of expense type, yani account types. The number one is business expense. Business expense are the accounts which comes into the profit and loss statement of a business. Capital expenses are the types of accounts which comes in the balance sheet. For example, assets, land purchase, investment, etc. So we'll click on business expense and we will define an office rent. That's it. We'll find the save button down, we'll click on it, and the one expense account has been created. Click on back, and in order to post or create a voucher, we must create a cash account. So we'll click on option B, create. Account name we will define NBK Bank. That's it. So our two accounts has been created as of now, and we are ready to post our expense voucher. So click V, create voucher, and click on expense voucher. By default, the business expense has been selected. You can change the date. You can select the account. All the accounts you have defined in the chart of account will be available for you to select. Put the amount 300 dinars, for example. You can also define the projects for your business in order to have a project costing report. But as of now, we haven't defined any of the project, so we'll keep it empty. Select the cash account, which is the NBK Bank. You can define as many cash accounts as you want in order to have a cash statement later on. If you have any reference number, you can enter here, or you can write your comments for this voucher. That's it. Your voucher is ready to save. Click on the save button in order to create a voucher. Voucher number 1 has been created. See how easy to create the expense voucher or any of the voucher in the business. So after the creation of an expense voucher, I need to show you some financial reports. In order to see the financial reports, I must log out and log in with another user. I'll click on login, and the login ID which has been saved will come automatically, and I'll click on sign in. On the home page, I'll click financial reports. What we have here is income loss statement, bank or cash statement, customer balances, supplier balances, invoices which are due, an account statement which has supplier and customer statement, trial balance, and receivable aging report. So I'll click on income statement. The dates will come automatically for the current month. You can change also the dates. Project name, you can select any of the project in order to get the project costing report. This graph will show me overall business profit or loss. This is a summary of my income vouchers, and this is the summary for my expense vouchers. How many times the expense voucher has been entered in this period of time and what is the total. At last, I have the graph of expenses which will show me the maximum amount of expense recorded in the system during this period of time. Click on bank statement. Click on B, and between these period, if I want to select my NBK bank and show, it will show me the complete statement of my NBK bank. It shows me the total of amount comes into the business, and it shows me the total of amount which goes out from the business. And at the end, as you can see, 1417 KD is my running balance. I can also print the report. Customer balances will show me the balances of the customers between this period, how much amount I invoiced them, how much receipts I received from them, what is the closing balance, and what was the date of last receipt. I can also download this report into an Excel sheet by clicking on this download button. Account statement also shows me the statement of my customer or supplier. I just need to click on the relevant group. I'll select the customer name and click on show. So the statement for this customer will comes up. I can also print with my company logo and send it to my customer. Receivable aging report will show me the balance of my customers in between the period of time. I can also make the report landscape in order to get a full view of the report. I can download the report as well. And from the home page, I'll click on the voucher history. All the vouchers entered in the system can be viewed or edited using this option. Click on the expense voucher history. All the vouchers entered in between this period can be listed down here. By clicking this pencil sign, I'll be able to edit that voucher. I can edit any of the information and make the voucher save again. Let's go back to the home page where we have budget versus actual. If I click on option B, I need to select the period. For example, if I select the period January 2022, the report will show me what is the budget amount for my expenses and what is the actual amount for my expenses. So this report will show me the difference. The graph also shows me the budget amount and the actual amount. At the bottom, this graph will show me what percentage of the budget has been used as of now. I can see this budget report for any of the month. Click back to come to the home page. In the last of the video, I would like to show you the expiry reminder module. In this module, you can set the expiry dates of your important documents. The system will keep on reminding you how many documents are due to renew and how many are expired. If you click this pencil sign, it will show you the document name, for example, Ahmed Passport, expiring on the January 2022, and the system should remind you 30 days before the expiry. You can change the information and click the save again. The report will show you how many due and how many expired. Now you have a complete understanding about the scope of the application. Now you understand how much this application can benefit you in making your business accounting more simple and organized. You can also log into the application using your computer. Just open a Safari, Google or any Internet Explorer and visit our website royalsolutionpk.com. Click this mobile accounting app and click this yellow button, log into the mobile accounting. The login ID and the password which you already have, just enter it here and sign in. All your data or all your vouchers which are already saved will come here automatically. You don't have to worry about your data. Whatever the data you are entering in your mobile will be saving in our cloud server. If you lost your mobile or mobile is broken, you don't have to worry anything about. I hope you will like this video and you will subscribe and start our trial version which is free. I'll appreciate. You can click on administration in order to have our contact details. These are our WhatsApp numbers. You can contact us and we will be happy to answer your calls. Thank you very much for watching this video.